What's up, guys? And today we're playing Beach Worm Simulator. This game is addicting, like addicting. I'm a noob, but I actually love this game. And this is not like a focus game. It's not like the games that I do. There's Black Bear right there. Say hi. Oh, I gotta get my Perlin. So the main goal today is to get the magnet thing in the shop by Pollen. And yeah, we're gonna get a quest for the Black Bear from the Black Bear. There are 3 colors of flowers on this. Not red, white, and blue. If it's a bee, it's risk. I really don't want to do that. I don't have my scooper out. You know what? Collect 600 pounds. Okay. After that, we're going to try to defeat the ladybug. I already did, but I'm gonna do it again. First, let me put my pollen because I have a lot now. I don't know how. Is it because of my bees? Oh yeah, this is so lucky. I got so lucky in my first bee. Yeah, I got a rare one. Yeah, I got a rare one. Yes, I got one. Yeah, I got that. And my first egg, I got this poopy man, but it's too good. 12. I gotta put this empty so I can put my pollen. My computer's finally working. That's a good thing. And I think we already reached our goal, but whatever. Yep. Okay, we're almost trying to get the magnet because I like scooper. And I'm fine with my thing. Mine was like 500. That was very annoying. I was stuck in that first one, so I had to buy this one because it was so annoying. There's really no point in this game. Everybody's like, nah, that game sucks. But it really doesn't. I have to complete this quest. Oh, red pollen. Red pollen. I really have to get red. No. That's why it barely worked. You want to go complete this quest later. Go back to your job. Oh, it was stuck. Make me some honey because you got stuck. Yes, 2,000. I really want my magnet. Okay. Okay, Okay, let's try. Let's actually complete this. Yeah. I only read. That's stupid. But these are not doing any work. There they are. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. I don't want any other pollen. I just want the red. And good job, creator. My favorite color is red. So good job. Good job. Good job. Can I give my these a quest? So I don't need to do all the work to be honest. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. We just need a little bit more. 3, 3, 3, 3. We just need another more. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Oh, it's 360. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And Mike. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Oh, come on, why have to be so rude? 3, 3, 3. Is my audio looking with whatever? Three, 3, 3. Okay. 3,000. Where am I? 3, 3 at 2, 2. What's up? I feel like people say this is boring because it's like, oh, Mining Simulator, but I don't like Mining Simulator. Mining Simulator. Okay, it's almost there. It's almost there. Oh, you can just hold. Oh, okay. 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 This might be. Why the heck are you there? I saw you. Get your lazy butts out and do what I say. Get your lazy butts out of that thing. Oh, good boy. You're not even helping. You're barely helping. Oh no. Why you gotta be? I can't be talking. Why can't we hang? Desk job. Oh, let's go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get this thing. I completely forgot, wait, recording. Forgot that I just have to do something. And you're not allowed to see it. It's inappropriate. No, it's probably not, but you can't just see. Because I don't feel like getting my camera and editing this stuff. Where's my red bee? Oh. Hey, what the are you doing there? 6,000? I don't want a stupid rake. That's stupid like me. So, I'm going to join the group. How do you join that group? B Swarm 7 8 8 B Swarm 7 8 I'm gonna try to join their group. Okay, let's just continue playing. That's what I'm going to end right here. See ya guys later.